the benefits of consuming turmeric for weight loss and a simple recipe to use at home. Turmeric is an ancient spice which has been consumed by humans for thousands of years, especially in India. This golden powder is often added to healthy recipes, curries, and can also be used to make turmeric tea for weight loss. In today's video, we will explain how turmeric works to support weight loss and how this affects the human body at the cellular level. Recipe you will need: 500 milliliters of boiled water, 3 heaped teaspoons of ground turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and the zest of 1 small orange. Method: mix the ingredients together in a large mug and stir well. Allow this to infuse for 5 to 7 minutes, strain and then drink. Consume this in the morning on an empty stomach at least 1 hour before breakfast to supercharge weight loss and fat burning throughout the day. Be sure to use high-quality organic ingredients for the best health effects. You will notice a flatter stomach and higher energy levels in 5 to 7 days. Continue to use this mixture on a daily basis until you have reached your weight loss goal. If you do not like the taste of this drink, simply add a little stevia or erythritol for sweetness. Now, let's take a look at how turmeric supports weight loss and its health benefits. 1. When trying to lose weight, the first step is to help balance your blood sugar levels. Turmeric contains a natural compound called curcumin, which helps to stabilize blood sugar. 2. The active ingredient curcumin helps to lower inflammation in the pancreas. This naturally improves insulin resistance so that your body can tap into its own fat reserves for energy. 3. Many people who consume too many processed carbohydrates have elevated blood sugar levels. The body converts this extra sugar into fat cells, which makes you gain more weight. 4. Drinking this turmeric mixture in the morning helps to keep blood sugar levels stable through the day. This reduces cravings for junk food and helps you to feel more satisfied with your meals. 5. If you have large fat deposits in the belly area, then you likely have too much of the insulin hormone in your body. This drink reduces the need for insulin and makes it easier to burn your own body fat for fuel. 6. Turmeric is also one of the most powerful antioxidants on the planet, which helps to reduce inflammation throughout the body. This makes it very effective for reducing pain, swelling and soreness, especially in the joints. 7. In ancient Chinese and Indian medicine systems, turmeric has always been used to help strengthen the heart muscle by reducing inflammation. The antioxidants actively protect the arteries from inflammatory damage and reduce clogged arteries and a buildup of plaque. 8. This allows for better blood flow and circulation around the body so that nutrients can be transported into their proper locations. The healthier your body becomes, the easier it is to burn excess body fat by following an exercise and diet plan. 9. This drink works very well for those who are following a low-carb diet such as keto. By lowering the blood sugars, you will be less likely to overeat and give your body a chance to rest and digest. 10. This drink is also excellent for those who perform intermittent or prolonged fasting as part of a healthy weight loss plan. 11. The black pepper is very important in this recipe as it helps your body to absorb the curcumin compound in the turmeric for faster weight loss. 12. Turmeric also contains turmerone, a compound that has been scientifically shown to reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. 13. We recommend adding powdered turmeric to delicious curries, stir-fries, meat marinades, and sautéed vegetables. It can also be used to make golden milk when added to warmed coconut milk. 14. You can also purchase turmeric with added black pepper in capsules from health food stores. 15. Turmeric is also amazing for supporting liver function, helping this organ to detoxify the body of harmful chemicals and toxins. 16. A healthy liver is able to produce more bile, which is needed to break down and eliminate fat cells from the human body. 17. Finally, turmeric has been proven to improve mental health by activating certain hormones such as dopamine and serotonin. This makes you feel happier, more optimistic, and more likely to stick with a healthy eating plan long term. In our other video, we go into more detail into the many benefits of turmeric. Be sure to select this at the end to learn more. For more holistic remedies and nutrition facts, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.